Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about 5 posing tips for beginning models. All right guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling, and we're gonna jump right in. So let's talk about angles. You wanna try to create angles with your arms and your legs. So think about kind of making triangles with your arms, hand on your hip, creating that angle look, and also you can bend the knees very easily to make some nice long angles in different shapes with your legs and your arms. So definitely be working those. Next up is to look away from the camera and at the camera. So don't feel like you have to only do one thing and just be always looking at the camera the whole time or always looking away from the camera. Make sure that you're offering the photographer both options. That's going to give you a lot more versatility and them a lot more versatility when choosing the pictures that they need for their project. Next is to lean forward to kind of create a different angle for those straight on shots. So leaning in a little bit, or maybe even just turning the shoulders just slightly, but that's really going to make a big difference. If you create angles and lean, you're going to see some really different looks, and you're probably going to be very pleased with these different shots. And then the next one is to change your facial expressions. It's going to make such a huge difference when you do that. It's amazing what happens with your face and with your body when you go from being serious, or from having a big smile, or just a regular smile, open mouth smile, and a closed lip smile. Lots of different looks. Again, very important to give your photographer and your project manager a lot of different options to work with. And then the last one is that you don't always have to, when you're facing the camera, you don't always just have to just stand there, right? If I'm facing the camera like this, you can lean into it a little bit and even place your hands on your hips or one hand to create a little bit of angles. It's amazing what that's going to do to the shot and to the picture, is to kind of change that up a little bit. So these are lots of different options for you to use. Make sure that you're practicing these in front of a mirror, so you're going to see the difference too, face to face, and then you'll kind of get an idea of what this will look like on the other side of the camera. And if you can maybe collaborate with somebody, get some shots, get a chance to practice these in front of a camera as well. I hope these tips will help you out. Don't forget to leave us a comment down below, like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.